Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I gonna show you how to change your bio in Threads. 1. Open Threads by Instagram on your mobile device. 2. Tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to go to your profile. 3. Tap on the Edit button next to your name and profile picture. 4. Tap on the Bio field and edit your bio. 5. Tap on Save to save your changes. Your new bio will now be displayed on your Threads profile. If the video is helpful, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Subscribe to my channel at Unlockforce. And hit the bell icon to get notification of all my videos for your help. If you have any question, let me tell in the comment box, I will answer you. Thanks for watching my video.